Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, if you want to see how to remove windshield wiper arm on a car without any special tools that you just have at home, stay with us guys, we'll explain how to do that step by step in this video today. So guys, in order to remove the windshield wiper arm, what we need to do first, we need to remove the cover right here. Usually they have a cover on the nut, okay? So dirt, dust, water doesn't get in and it doesn't rust so bad. Okay, this one is out, so let me just set it here so we don't lose it. Now, the first thing we're going to do, interphone penetrating spray. This is amazing spray, and spray right here. Why? Okay, because that's where the wiper arm gets stuck, okay, usually. Now, in our case, it's a 5/8 socket right here. We're going to go ahead, okay, and pretty loosen the nut. Okay. Now that nut, okay, you will see how much rust is there. Once you remove it, you get the spray again and you spray where, okay, well right here where, okay, the windshield wiper arm goes on the bolt. It needs to soak a little bit. It will not be easy. This one is an older vehicle. That's a 20-year-old vehicle. Never been removed, okay? So be prepared now. Okay, what we're going to do, put the nut back in, careful with your windshield. I'm going to lift it up a little bit, okay? Shake it and tap on the nut a little bit. Very gentle, okay? No, don't hit your windshield, you'll be done. Okay, let's see if it's going to come out without any special tools, because usually there is a, okay, look at all the rust here. Windshield wiper pour that you can get, okay, and ours, guys, okay, is really bad. Look at all the rust coming off. Okay, we're running out of spray too, and we're going to go ahead and do it again. Now, sometimes if they don't want to come off and you don't have a pour, you may need to soak them the previous night. So grab on the wiper, kind of like shake it a little bit, and tap on it, okay? Now, the rust will be unreal here. Watch now. Do you see all that rust building in there? Once it cracks, it goes easy. But this one will not be easy, guys, okay? It will take a little bit. I see it already starting to penetrate. So that's a good thing. So while you're heating, you grab on the wiper and pull up and shake it a little bit. Okay, and what happened now, guys? Okay, check this thing out. Told you I saw it penetrating. From all that tapping, the penetrating spray gets in, all that rust comes loose, and the wiper arm is out, guys. Okay, now check out the amount of rust here, amount of rust on the axle, and you can see the wiper arm came out like that. So that's how you guys remove a wiper arm on most vehicles. It's not too complicated. Careful not to damage your windows. Do not tap too hard on it. If you soak them overnight, you remove that nut and spray them. Don't drive your car with the nut off. Okay, it can penetrate and it can come off quite easy. Now, newer vehicles will come way easier. You might sometimes just remove the nut and grab them with your two hands, shake it and it will come off. But when it's rusted like that, okay, you need to keep tapping and spraying penetrating oil so we can access that. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Guys, please like, subscribe, help us grow that channel together so we can help more people and save more people money as well. Thank you for watching. See you next time.